Greetings, Green Thumb Gardening family. And before this morning's storm arrived, just a quick peek at the Beauregard sweet potatoes that we're currently growing in a 5-gallon container on our front porch. Take a look at this, guys. All right, guys. So if you've been following our channel for any significant amount of time, you guys are aware of the fact that every year here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, we grow sweet potatoes in 5-gallon buckets. This year is no exception, YouTube, but we're doing something slightly different this year than we've done in our previous years. And we're going to give you guys a look at what we have growing on with our Beauregard sweet potatoes in 5-gallon containers right now. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Don't they look good? Today is actually day 21 of our Beauregard sweet potato slips growing here in this 5-gallon container as a hanging plant here in our front yard garden extended grow area on our front porch. We're super excited about the way they're currently growing for us here, YouTube. A pretty deep green. They're vining way out, as you guys can see, in all directions on our front porch. And we're looking forward to seeing these things blossom and seeing those blossoms cascade down our front porch here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel. Thanks for watching.